bartender's favorite bartender with bartending. This week we got another special edition. Man, we about to jump out the box. We about to teach you how to make an electric tea. Now let's go with a recipe that it takes to make an electric tea. We have Firefly Vodka, which is sweet tea vodka, and then we have Simply Lemonade. Now we got our drink out of the way. Let's make this bad boy. Now this recipe calls for 1.5 ounces of Firefly Vodka. And we're gonna fill the rest up with Simply Lemonade. Next, we're gonna garnish. And from here, we're gonna garnish with a lemon wheel. And that's how you make the perfect electric tea. Thanks for tuning in to another special edition of True Mix Masters present True Tuesdays. This is where we try to bring you a different drink each and every Tuesday. Feel free to look us up on our social media platforms. We on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. Like and subscribe. Until next week, stay true, my friends.